How to reset TikTok privacy settings. So if you want to reset your TikTok privacy settings, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with profile, which is on the bottom right. And after that, go with the top right, which has that 3 bar, and tap on settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, you need to tap on the privacy section. And here you will have all of your privacy settings. So you can simply go with the private account if you want to turn on your private account, or if you want to go with public, then turn it off. And you can go with the activity status. When this is turned on, you and your friends will see each other's activity status. Moving on, here we'll have the comments option, mentions, direct messages, and everything. So if you simply go with any option, then here you will have read status and safe mode. So you can turn this on, and you will also have allow direct messages from. You can choose everyone, suggested friends, or the friends only you follow back, or no one. And in the same way, you can go with all of these other options or the interactions. You will also have sync contacts and Facebook friends section. You can simply tap on it if you want to sync your contacts, or if you want to sync your Facebook friends, you can simply turn it on, or if it is turned on, you can turn that off. And if you don't want to suggest your account to others, then you can just simply turn all of these off. But if you want TikTok to suggest your account to others, then turn all of these on. So these were the privacy settings of TikTok, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.